You believe it or not, I know a lot of things about you. First, I know you are watching this video right now. Second, before you start watching this video, you either clicked on the thumbnail of the video or you clicked on the title of the video. Now let's be serious for a second. It's pretty easy to say that I'm 100% sure you are watching this video right now. But what is not easy to know is the things that you need to do before starting your YouTube channel. The reason why I make video here on this channel is to help you grow a successful business online, and creating and growing a YouTube channel is one of them. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 things that you need to do before starting your YouTube channel. And I can assure you, if you watch this video and implement what I share with you, your growth on YouTube will just be a matter of time. I will do everything I can to keep it short, so make sure to stick around. Hi, my name is VK. On this channel, I make videos to educate and inspire you so you can start and grow a successful business online. So if you are interested in building your own online business, if you are interested in making money online, make sure to go down and like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Now let me share with you all in this video 7 things that you need to do before starting your YouTube channel. Number 1, if you want to grow a YouTube channel, monetize your videos, and make money here on YouTube, before you grab your laptop to create a YouTube channel, you need to have a channel topic. Do not make the mistake to create a YouTube channel and start talking about your life, how you spend your day, what you've eaten, or anything related to that, because nobody is interested in knowing what you are doing in your life. People come on YouTube because they have a specific problem to resolve, and they don't care how good or bad your life is. All they want from you is an answer to their problems, is the solution to the main problem that brought them on YouTube. I did the same, so on this channel I don't talk about random things, but everything that I talk about in my videos will be around one topic, which is how to build and grow a successful business online working from home. I don't know what your passion is, but you can create a channel around the same topic or about different topics like health and fitness, gaming, entertainment, music, and you name it. There are plenty of them that you can choose from and build your channel around that. In number 2, you need to have clear goals for your channel. I'm sure you will not want to build a YouTube channel and not being able to make money from your channel. So you need to define what your goals are, how you're planning to make money with your videos, whether it is here on YouTube or with another platform outside of YouTube. It's clear that my goal here is to monetize my videos and to sell digital courses and tools that people will use to grow a business online by promoting those links in the description of my videos. That's my goal. Very simple and clear. So you need to have goals for your channel before you get started. In number 3, design your channel, because you want those who visit your channel, those who come to your channel page, to see a professional channel, to see something that attracts them, something that will make them subscribe to you. So what we do is to create a YouTube channel art or a banner for your channel, add a nice profile picture to your channel, write something about you in the about section of your channel, and also write a short description about your channel. It will always be a good idea to add sections to your channel page to make it easy for people to navigate. Once you've done that, in number 4, upload a channel trailer on your YouTube channel. This is going to be a short video in which you tell those who visit your channel page what your channel is about, what type of videos you make on your channel, what type of audience do you make your videos for, or the type of people that will want to watch your videos. This is simply telling your viewer the reason why they should subscribe to your channel. And once you create that video, you will click on customize optimized channel to add the trailer to your YouTube channel. In number 5, you need to create playlists. Nobody is going to come to your YouTube channel and watch every single video that you have on your channel. Even if your goal is to show people how to create and grow a YouTube channel, some people will be interested in how to promote their videos. Some others will want to learn about analytics, and another group of people will want to know how to make videos, how to edit videos, how to create a thumbnail, how to do a keyword search, and you need to have a playlist for all those. Moving from there, let's see what you need to do in number 6. In number 6, educate yourself on YouTube terms and conditions. You will agree with me if I say YouTube is not your property. It's not. Even the channel that you are going to create on YouTube is yours if they decide so. And before you can create a channel and keep it as long as you live, you need to follow their policies. You need to respect the terms and conditions of YouTube. So you will make sure that you educate yourself on YouTube terms and conditions before you start your YouTube channel. You will not need to know everything there is to know about it. You can get started with your channel and keep learning in the process. In number 7, upload up to 5 videos, then start promoting your channel. When you are new on YouTube, when you are getting started on YouTube, YouTube doesn't know you yet, and YouTube doesn't trust you to promote your videos. So during those first months when YouTube is not promoting your videos, social media will be your best friend. Whether it is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or TikTok, you need to put your videos out there. You need to promote your videos on those channels to drive people to your YouTube channel. And those external views that you are driving to your channel are going to send the message to YouTube depending on how long they stay on your videos, and YouTube will start promoting your videos. But before it happens, you need to promote your videos yourself. And social media is the best place to do that. But don't send people to a YouTube channel with no videos. You need to have at least 5 videos on your channel, so when people come to your channel, they will know what the channel is about and what to expect if they subscribe to your channel. There are a lot of things left. I just picked 7, knowing that those will help you get started on YouTube. So if you want to learn more, make sure to go in the description of this video. I will make sure to add links to help you create and optimize your YouTube channel. And this is it for today. If you like the video, go down and like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel to let me know you want more content like this on my channel. I really appreciate your time. This is VK from Will Village Academy. I will see you in the next video.